98, driven by Ron McConkey. On the outside of him in car number 69, that's Chris Braw. In car number 77, row 2, inside lane, Will Voth. Next to him in car number 3, Careless Carvel Phillips. In car number 17, Jesse Fitzpatrick. And in 45B, Mike Elmer. Green flag coming out, fans. Let's go racing! A little bit of rubbing right there off the start for that 98-69 car. That's Ron McConkey and Chris Brawl. Brownell staying alongside McConkey. McConkey now giving him a little tail swipe through the turn. That pushes Braw back into second now. McConkey, your leader. Here comes car number 77 charging up. That's Will Voth. Raceway. Doing a little slip and slide coming through the turn 2 a little too high. Gonna have to grab his line and hold on. Here comes your leader. Right now, he's been racing only 1 year in IMCA and 20 years in other classes, so no strings in racing. He too is driving an 87 Monte Carlo. Pit crew is Kelly Jones and Dylan McConkey. All sponsored up by CRR Realtor. So McConkey, your leader in that 98 car. Will Voth now being challenged by that 17 car. That's Jesse Fitzpatrick. Fitzpatrick goes by. Trouble for Braw in the 69 car. He's out of this race. Smashes up into the corner, into the tires. Not able to get off the track. And your yellow caution flag comes out and we're slowing things down. Which is good news now for Jesse Fitzpatrick in the 17 car because he moves up into second. And Ron McConkey will have the rest of his pack on his tail. With just a few laps left. Snappa Auto Parts Plus, Killer Customs, as well as Milestone Mazda, Lydale Construction, Heat-Seeking Thermal Imaging, Logos Embroidery, and DLP Welding, some of the great sponsors here at Bridge County Raceway. In 360 sprint cars, the drivers are all excited in the back pits. With me is William Gold. He's the touring announcer with the ASCS Can West 360 sprint car action. Now, William, you've been traveling last week. These guys put on a real good show. I believe it was Swift Current, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago, the ASCS Can West headed out actually to Winnipeg. First time out there, Red River Co-op Speedway. And then off to Swift Current, Saskatchewan, which has become a great little stop for the guys on the tour. But tonight it's all about Ridge County Raceway, plain and simple. It's been years trying to get us back to this facility. A lot of work behind the scenes. Some big thank yous to James and Kathy Hagnaggy. And we're excited for the fans to bring 360 racing back to Southern Alberta.
We are in for a treat tonight as the ASCS Can West Challenge is back. Lots of great sponsors to mention there too. Just great support from Southern Albertans to help make tonight happen. And what, over $10,000 in payout prizes, is that right?
Big payout money tonight up for grabs. A lot of money available for the front runners. Also a sportsman bonus as well. A big thank you to Rick Tessmaker and the companies involved with that. We'll be getting all those mentions a little bit later on. Looks like we're getting ready to go back to green here. One lap to go, I believe, and we'll turn it back over to you, Brad.
All right, fans, your leader right now, Ron McConkey in the 98 car. Will Voss in that super truck stock right in behind him in the 77. And Jesse Fitzpatrick is back there in third. In that 3 car, Carvel Phillips, also known as Careless Carvel. He was here last year, and he took a feeder car and drove it through a van just for something to do. I wish we could relive that, but maybe we will this year yet. You never can tell. I think Milestone Mazda might be helping us out with the van a little later on this season. So we'll fill you race fans in as we get more details. At this point, Jay Pyle, our head flagman, giving our drivers the 1 to go sign. Pylon is out there. Everybody must stay in their single file. You'll notice that a couple of drivers falling off the back of the pack there. That 3 and 45 car, that's Kel Rudy. Here we go, green flag about to fly. Fans in the stands, make some noise. We're back to racing. Jesse Fitzpatrick now, putting the pedal down through turn 2 to get up alongside of Will Bob. Charging by him down the backside straight. Bob, gonna say no way to that one. He tries to hold on and stay in behind Fitzpatrick.